In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and how to turn off your Beats Solo 4. So if you don't use them, I highly suggest you turn them off to save battery life. So what you need to do first is to locate the power button under them. So one of the ear cup will have a power button like this one, and the other one won't have anything. It will just have a small LED light. So once you found this power button, and you want to turn them off, because right now they're turned on. You see there's a small light here. It simply means that they're turned on. Well, you need to keep press this button during a full second. So let's do it together. 1, and now I release the button. Don't keep it pressed more than 1 second, because you may put them into pairing mode. If you see this light blinking after trying to turn them off, well, it simply means that you have pressed more than 1 second and they're now in pairing mode. You can still try again by pressing 1 second on this button to turn them off. Now, how do you turn them on? Very easy. You just have to do the same thing. So let's do it. 1 second, then I release that button, and the light here will be on. Every time you turn them on and off, you're gonna hear in them a small chime. It's a different chime when they turn on and when they turn off. So this is another clue you can have in case you don't know if you have turned them on or off. If you want to factory reset your Beats Solo 4, because maybe you want to resell them, maybe you have an issue with them, now let me show you how to do it. Well, it's quite easy to do. Let me show you. So first of all, we're gonna turn them in this position, and you're gonna find the power button. I mean, there's only one button and it's located on the right side over here. The other side has a small LED light. Now, all you need to do is to keep press this button, do not release it, for around 10 seconds until you see over here the small LED light turning to red. Then you can release it. So let's do it together. I'm keeping this button pressed and I'm not releasing it until I see the color red appearing here. All right, a bit more. And here we go, red. Now I can release the button. It will flash red about 3 times, 2 times, and this will simply means that they are now factory resetted. The light over here will flash white once this is done. It simply means that they are in pairing mode. So right now, for the next 5 minutes, you'll be able to pair them with a new device, iPhone, laptop, whatever other device you have. If after this amount of time you didn't pair them, they may exit pairing mode by themselves. And to put them back into pairing mode, you'll simply have to keep press this same button during about 5 seconds until this light will start flashing once again.